See, the problem with the company brochure, it's like the worst case scenario with the company brochure is what? I'm going to read it. And I know that sounds weird, but if we haven't spoken before and you send me a company brochure, there's only two outcomes, okay? And the worst outcome is I'm going to read it. Why? If I could read a company brochure and sign up for your stuff, you wouldn't have a job. If you don't think your company's already tried that one before, we're sorely mistaken. Like if our products were that simple that it was just a matter of getting a brochure in front of somebody, they would buy it, they wouldn't need us. They would just use direct mail, right? And mail brochures to everybody, okay? It don't work, which is why we need salespeople. So the problem with me reading a brochure is I'm gonna read that, and just like why the direct mail campaign's not working, I'm gonna go, I don't need that. In your case, I don't need to rent equipment. We're all good. I got a great thing going with Eddie's Rentals, right? It's fine. Trash, right? Well, not trash, it's delete because it's an email. And then since I've read the brochure, I've come to the conclusion that I don't need your stuff. And then when you call me back, I'm gonna go, dude, I read the brochure. I don't need your stuff. And now you're back to a kid asking mom and dad for the car. It's like, but come on, if you let me use the car, I'll get driving experience. And I promise I won't let Ferris drive anymore. The miles aren't coming off, Ferris, right? It's a problem. So this is where I want that email to be less is more, because the outcome that we want is them to have a conversation with us. And the brochure is not headed down that road. Both good and bad, they don't need us. And we want them to need us. We want them to have a conversation with us.
If you like this video, I got you. I'm going to hook you up. Click the link in my bio. I'm going to give you the closing mini masterclass. It's normally $300. I'm going to pay for everything. You're going to close a lot more business. You're going to make a lot more money. You're going to have a lot more fun. And you're going to be like, Matt Easton changed my life. And I'm going to be like, yes, I did. Did we just become best friends? And you're going to say, yes, we did. And then you and I are going to be best friends, and it'll be great. So click the link in my bio so we can be friends and you can close more business, and I'll cover all the cost. See you there.